Hello, I'm Sarah Giblin. I'm the creator of the RiutBag, the secure backwards backpack. I'm going to be showing you the RiutBag Crush, a really light and secure backpack, which actually fits into a little pouch that is included in the bag. When it arrives from riutbag.com, it's going to come in this reusable drawstring bag. I like to use it to pack smaller items inside my bag, and I don't want to be using any single-use plastics anymore in my packaging, so that's especially where these lining bags have come from. Now, when it arrives, it'll be in its small form. Unzip the bag, you'll be able to pull out the entire backpack in just a few seconds. And then there it is. You've got your main compartment in here, which is bright green inside, so that you can see everything that you are looking for. And that's your main capacity, right? So you've still got a bottom pocket and you've still got the top pocket as well. And in fact, I'm just going to fill it up so that you can see roughly what it looks like when it's got a bit of stuff inside. It fits about 14 litres worth of capacity, and I like to use ball pit balls because they're bright and easy to move around, and then they can show you the form of the bag. There are no zips on the outside. You can't get in on that side. All of the zips are on your back, so as soon as you put the bag on, it is automatically secure. These straps have got a little bit of padding in there, but this is a very light bag, so you should expect to put sort of daypack items in here. You've also got this top pocket as well. It's also bright green inside. So, you can put sunglasses or keys or a small wallet in there. And I like to put larger flat items like a phone or a larger wallet in the D pocket. And incidentally, that's where the entire bag folds back into later. With the D pocket, it'll take a little bit of practice if you haven't had a RiutBag before, but you can actually reach into that pocket whilst the bag is still on your back. And since the RiutBag is at its most secure when it's on your back, that's actually quite a benefit to be able to reach in and unzip something. Now, on every single RiutBag, the lengths of the straps are controlled by you, of course, but there's plenty of length there so that you can change the length of the strap. And when you've got this leftover material, what you do is you roll it up to the point where you're comfortable with it, and then you take this piece of elastic and you turn it over the rolled material, which just keeps it looking a little bit smarter. It means you don't have dangling straps that can get caught on things. You've got your little top handle, which lets you also hook the bag onto a door. And here's roughly what 14 litres looks like in ball pit balls. So you can fit plenty in there. But if you're planning on carrying heavy items, I suggest you go for a more durable RiutBag, which has got some serious padding and has also got, a much more durable base. This is intentionally a very light bag. In fact, it's made from the same material as hot air balloons, ripstop nylon. Right, when you're preparing the bag to put it away again, the whole thing is going into that back pocket. You're going to turn it inside out because that's where it's all going. So you push out the corners so there's plenty of space inside, then lay it flat. Just pull in the edges so that the entire bag is the width of the bag it's going into, and it's going to go in thirds. So the top third goes onto the second third, and then the final fold takes it into the pouch. And there's a couple of zips on the outside, so just squeeze it all in there, and then you're back into pouch form. So that is the RiutBag Crush. It's secure. The only zips and the only way in are on the back. There's no zips on the outside, and it's really light and refreshing if you're going for a walk or a cycle and you want to carry a few extra things with you.